Hello everyone. Today's lesson is singular and plural noun. My name is Anastri and welcome back to my channel. What is singular noun? A singular noun refers to one person, place, thing or idea. Any one thing can called singular noun. Examples are cat, book, child, etc. And what is plural noun? A plural noun refers to more than one. Okay. Examples are cat becomes cats, book becomes books, child becomes children, etc. Okay. Now the next is to convert a word from singular to plural noun, you need to follow some basic rules. Noun को singular से plural बनाने के लिए कुछ rules follow करना है. First, rule number 1. With some words, simply add s to make it plural. Simply आपको क्या करना है? s लगा के उसको plural बनाना है. Okay? Examples are car, cars, bird, birds, broom, brooms, camel, camels, desk, desks, pen, pens, etc. Now, rule number 2. Words ending with s, x, ch or sh. Add es to make it plural. Okay. Whenever the words are ending with these letters, you need to add only es to make it plural, to make the words plural. s, x, ch और sh अगर word के ending में है तो आपको ses लगा के plural बनाना है. जैसे कि examples box, boxes, bench, benches, bus, buses, glass, glasses, etc. Okay. Now next, rule number 3. If a noun ends with y preceded by a consonant, if a noun ending with y preceded by a consonant, change y to I and add es. Y becomes I and add es. Examples baby, babies, cherry, cherries, diary, diaries and many more. Okay. And the fourth rule is if a noun ending in y preceded by a vowel, if a noun ending in y, okay, and preceded by a vowel, then simply add s. No changes further needed. Okay, simply you have to add s to make it plural. Examples key, keys, chimney, chimneys, day, days, etc. Okay. y के आगे अगर कॉन्सोनेंट है तो y becomes IES, बट y के आगे अगर वावल है तो सिंपली s ऐड करना है. क्लियर? आई थिंक सबको क्लियर हो गया. नाउ द नेक्स्ट रूल इज रूल नंबर 5. इफ अ नाउन एंड्स विद f or fe, f becomes v and add es. Okay, f becomes v, f क्या हो जाता है? v हो जाता है एंड उसके बाद इसको एक es ऐड करना है. एग्जांपल्स आर लीफ, लीव्स, f उठकर ves, f becomes ves. Okay. Now other examples are cuff, calves, elf, elves, etc. These are exceptions. Okay, these are exceptions. They do not follow pattern. ये words rules follow नहीं करते. Some examples are look, chef, chefs, handkerchief, handkerchiefs, chief, chiefs, roof, roofs, etc. Now, the last three words, the last three examples are dwarf, dwarfs. In the last three examples, both f and ves are right. Whatever you choose. इसमें दोनों ऑप्शन ही सही है. Dwarf, dwarfs or dwarves, f or ves, fs or ves. Okay, both are right. Clear? Now the next is rule number 6. Some words ending with o, just add s. Example rhino, rhinos, zoo, zoos, kangaroo, kangaroos, etc. But in some words add es. जैसे examples are hero, heroes, tomato, tomatoes, etc. And in some words you can add anyone to make it plural. Examples mango, mangoes or mangoes, s or es. Zero, zeros, Mosquito, mosquitoes. Buffalo, buffaloes. Okay. How will you know when to use what? You have to talk, listen, practice, and read a lot. The more you talk in English, the more you will know when to use what. Okay? कब क्या यूज करना है ये प्रैक्टिस करने से हो जाएगा. जितना इंग्लिश में बात करोगे, इंग्लिश वर्ड्स को पढ़ोगे, उतना ही धीरे धीरे समझ पाओगे कि कब क्या यूज होगा. मतलब एस होगा या फिर ई एस होगा. क्लियर? Now the next rule is rule number 7. Some words are called irregular nouns, meaning they change completely. Okay, when making it plural, they change completely. कुछ कुछ वर्ड ऐसे होता है जो पूरा चेंज हो जाता है प्लूरल में. जब तुम उसको सिंगुलर से प्लूरल बनाओगे तो वो पूरा चेंज हो जाता है. एग्जाम्पल्स माउस, माइस. Okay, sometime it becomes mouses too. Both are right. Okay. Next, person, people. Man, men. Tooth, teeth. Foot, feet. Oasis, oasis. Goose, geese. Child, children. Ox, oxen. Woman, women. Cactus, cacti. Crisis, crisis. These all are irregular nouns. Okay. Next, the last two rules. The last two rules are some nouns are always singulars. Examples sheep, fish, reindeer, bison, etc. Okay, you cannot add s or es with these words. They always stay as singular. Okay, and the opposites are some nouns are always plural. Examples are binoculars, jeans, goggles, scissors, etc. कुछ वर्ड्स हमेशा सिंगुलर ही रहता है प्लूरल में भी, और ऑपोजिट में कुछ वर्ड्स हमेशा प्लूरल रहता है. तो यू हैव टू read a lot, you have to practice, and you have to learn these words. Okay, these are 9 rules for pluralization. Now is the time for exercises. First exercise are change the following singular noun to plural noun. Okay, these are 10 words. You have to make it plural. Next, choose the correct singular or plural form of the noun to complete each sentence. Okay, you have to tick the correct word from the options. Exercise number 3, determine if the noun in parenthesis is singular or plural and write the correct form. Okay, you have to select the right answers. Next, last exercise. This is last exercise. Match the singular noun with its correct plural form. Okay, you have to tick the correct form. That's all. That's today's lessons. From this weekend you will get exercises on every chapter. I will bring the answer keys in the next video. Do practice from start. The more you practice, the more you achieve the skills. If you have any doubt, please comment. If you like this video, do like and share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.